Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by selecting the Move tool, press M, and immediately pick what you want to move: raw edges, a group, or a component. You should click once to anchor the grab point because that determines your reference. Once done, drag to reposition. Make sure to use arrow keys to lock movement to red, green, or blue axes for precision. If you need exact distances, type a number and press Enter as you move, which snaps the translation to that value. Next, refine by creating copies and using Sketchup's inference system. You can hold Control-Option on Mac while moving to produce a copy instead of relocating the original. This is efficient for arrays. Also, tap the arrow keys to lock the direction of a copy. That prevents accidental diagonal shifts. Make sure to hover near endpoints, midpoints, or intersections to snap precisely. Once aligned, type an offset distance and press Enter if you want equally spaced duplicates. To finish, combine Move with Rotate or Scale when repositioning complex assemblies so relative proportions remain correct. You should double-check snapping by orbiting the model and verifying placement in different views. This ensures no hidden misalignment. If something goes wrong, press Undo immediately and retry with a different anchor or lock axis to avoid compounding errors. One key troubleshooting tip: if components stick together, check for nested groups and explode only when necessary to access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.